Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a video called Thank You for 15 subscriber. I don't know how did I get a lot of that. Last time I got 14 and then I was like, wait, who even subscribed to me? Probably Hanis, the SSA still. I'm gonna subscribe him back. He's a new YouTuber. So yeah, thank you for 17 subscriber. I'm gonna upload the Skyward video after this. As I said in the comment last time, the mask cam, I said I'm gonna do Skyward video. So after this video, I'm gonna do Skyward video. So thank you for subscribing me, and yeah, so I hope you guys will subscribe more, because I will do after this video I will do a Skyward video. So last time I did a Skyward video, but then I accidentally paused it. I accidentally closed the video. So I finished the video. But whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You will enjoy my videos. And yeah, so see you next time. Bye. And thank you for subscribing. Okay, whatever. So yeah, guys, bye.